In a blow to the White House, a federal judge has declared a key provision in President Barack Obama's health care law unconstitutional. The Virginia judge says states cannot force residents to buy health insurance, as is mandated by the Overhaul Obama signed into law earlier this year.
The goals here were noble in this bill, but even noble goals may only be pursued within the powers of the Constitution, and that did not happen with this piece of legislation.
White House officials were expecting the Virginia judge to rule against them. The administration says it disagrees with the court ruling and believes the health care law will ultimately be upheld.
Our belief is that the Health Care Act will go forward and that it is constitutional, that it improves people's lives.
Two other federal judges have sided with the White House, and several other court cases are pending across the country. All sides agree that the issue is likely to wind up in the Supreme Court.
The court is split. Basically, there are 4 liberal-leaning justices and 4 conservative-leaning justices, and one justice more or less in the center who is Anthony Kennedy. And it could be that the fate of the health care law comes down to how Justice Kennedy feels about the law.
While it could be years before the High Court hears the case, the provision at issue, whether the government can mandate health insurance coverage, doesn't go into effect until 2014. In the meantime, provisions that have already gone into effect, including one that allows young people to stay on their parents' insurance until age 26, will not be affected by the court ruling.
While the White House says it's confident that the health care overhaul is constitutional, Monday's ruling could give a boost to Republican lawmakers who have fought vigorously against the law. That includes some on Capitol Hill who have vowed to make repealing the overhaul a top priority. Julie Pace, The Associated Press, the White House.